Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra new rumors are out, and we even get the new design renders of Galaxy S23 Ultra, following with how much design change we are going to see on the S23 Ultra, and important updates that we've all been waiting for, and Samsung is doing this with the Galaxy S series devices. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to this channel. As per recent renders, S23 Ultra leaked on Weibo, it seems like Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with more squared off corners compared to the S22 Ultra. The lenses on the back also looks bigger than the S22 Ultra, although the overall design looks quite the same with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But one most important update that you guys didn't know about, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with a flatter display, much flatter than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And in some previous rumors, we even get completely flat display just like we get on the S23 base model or S23 Plus. And along with the flatter display, Samsung is also going to add a new display technology on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the new LTPO 3.0. Now what's special about this new technology? Well, according to the reports, it can go up to 2200 nits peak brightness, 200 more than the brightest iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this new display is 45% more power efficient than the last generation, so we can get some amazing screen on time on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, did you guys like the design of Galaxy S23 Ultra? Not just the new design, but we also get the dimensions of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this is how much it will be different from the S22 Ultra. S23 Ultra is 0.1mm taller, 0.2mm wider, and about 4 to 5 grams heavier. Now Galaxy S23 Ultra was about 228 grams, and as per rumors, Galaxy S23 Ultra will be around 233 grams, about the same weight as Oppo Find N2, the new foldable phone from Oppo. And the good news is, along with the new LTPO display, Samsung is also going to add a new Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is harder than the previous generation and can bear the drop on a hard surface. And in a lab test, it can hold about 1 meter drop on a harder surface, which is amazing. Plus, Samsung is also going to add this on the rear lenses, so your new 200 megapixel camera will be safe if you drop your phone. A great news is shared by iCinemas, and as per him, Samsung is finally considering giving up the cost reduction strategy, returning to the normal route to strengthen the product. Samsung already planned the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and as per reports from South Korea, Galaxy S23 Ultra will be out in the first week of Feb, and phones will hit the market around 17th of Feb. If you guys want to see the real first look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.